Welcome, in front of me say ESSENTIELB Wooze L, however you pronounce it. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset of the device and also remove a screen lock on top of it if, for instance, you don't know the pattern to it. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device is shut off, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And we should be now in the boot mode. So from here, using only volume up, you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then press volume down to confirm this. Give it a moment. Then you will see the no command, so what you want to do is hold power key and tap on volume up once. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can now use both of the volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and up goes up. And you want to select wipe data, factory reset, and then confirm it with the power key. And once more, select yes, delete all user data, power key, give it a moment, and then last thing we should see here is data wipe complete. And there it is. And reboot system now will be selected by default, so just press power key. And now the process will actually continue in the background, even though it will not really show anything. So the device will be turning on for a little bit longer, but once it's finished, we'll be then presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And you can see that now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.